Zimbabweans are gearing up for a national shutting down starting tomorrow, called by fearless and outspoken war veteran Blessed Bomb Sharones Ugeza, in a renewed bid to force President Mnangagwa out of office. Sanabila mashkobranyi kwa pana pachinzi aiwa mazimbabweans panapa they are warming up for the ouster yemtukamiri wenyika nobva subscribe wala yakatonda pele kuti pina mna mobile kwa mchenze. This comes despite the continued detention of over 100 citizens arrested during last month's protest in Harare, which marked the first wave of anti-Mnangagwa resistance. Geza, who masterminded the widely observed shutdown in March, is once again rallying Zimbabweans to stay home on 22 and 23 April 2025 in what it describes as a powerful yet peaceful act of defiance. In quotes, on Tuesday and Wednesday, the 22nd and 23rd of April, everyone must stay home. We must shut down Zimbabwe completely, Geza declared in a viral online broadcast. In a country where public demonstrations are effectively banned and civil liberties continue to be eroded, Geza argues that stay-aways have become one of the few non-violent tools left for resisting authoritarian rule. In court, Mnangagwa has captured the judiciary and suspended parliament at will. Zimbabwe is now one of the few countries in the world where the right to protest no longer exists, but we have discovered that staying at home is a powerful weapon, he said. Despite nationwide warrant for his arrest on charges including theft, incitement of violence, and undermining the authority of President Geza remains defiant. Operating from hiding, he has turned to social media to mobilize support, gaining a significant following among unemployed youth, delusioned war veterans, and ordinary citizens frustrated with the state of the nation. Geza's renewed call for action comes as public anger over Mnangagwa's failed leadership continues to grow. When Mnangagwa seized power in 2017 military coup, he promised a second republic and a break from Robert Mugabe's authoritarian past. But nearly 8 years later, those hopes have faded. Ndomasvika kubuda nyika panapa chinzi aiwa ndo zvakuita kuti vagari munyika yeZimbabwe vagear up kuti aiwa totosara takazvivharira zvedu mudzimba tinyatso kuratidza kuti aiwa zvigananda panguva ino hatichazvidi. Tudze mafunguro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechiitiko chimira kumasection medu. Subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.